Welcome to our video series on maintenance and reliability best practices. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. In this video, we'll be discussing food safety behaviors in your plant, a topic that is crucial for our target audience, maintenance and operations teams. We'll be exploring the Safe Quality Food Program and its role in certifying food safety and quality. We'll also delve into the concept of changing behaviors to enhance food safety processes beyond just documentation. Stay tuned as we share insights from different organizations and provide practical tips for successfully implementing food safety protocols. Now let's dive into the world of food safety behaviors at your plant. Many food manufacturing companies rely on the Safe Quality Food Program to certify that their food is safe and of high quality. This program is one of many certified programs that satisfy the food safety requirements of the Global Food Safety Initiative. The common approach is to follow the Safe Quality Food Code line by line to generate standard operating procedures and document templates. These documents are then filled out by employees in real time to prove that the food is safe. But here's the catch. These steps, while necessary, are not enough without a systematic approach to achieving consistent, self-improving food safety behaviors in the plant. The Safe Quality Food Program is not an end in itself. It's a means to an end. Sustainable behaviors that ensure the food is safe, drive cross-functional goals in training, and allow even better food safety behaviors to become a habit. Now let's talk about a common safe quality food approach. I've seen the Safe Quality Food Scheme applied in various organizations from rookies to veterans and across different types of products. In each situation, the focus was on developing standard operating procedures and documenting to prove that each step in the Safe Quality Food Code was being followed. The principle is simple. If it's not written down, it didn't happen. But this mindset can be a barrier to changing behaviors. The need for documentation is undeniable. Food safety documents must be thorough, accurate, and effective. Not having proof of a manufacturing step or a verification measurement can have serious consequences. But remember, everyone in the organization needs to embrace food safety, and this includes documentation. Here's a tip. Figure out what behaviors you're trying to achieve and then write the standard operating procedure to do so. Don't do it the other way around. Now let's talk about safe quality food and regulatory demands for behavior change. Despite the emphasis on documentation, all regulations and guidelines point to a need for behavior change. For instance, the Safe Quality Food Safety Code for Manufacturing emphasizes the need for continual improvement of its food safety management system and adoption and maintenance of food safety practices. Similarly, other guidelines and regulations also emphasize the importance of procedures, practices, and processes over just documentation. So how do we achieve behavior change and improvement? It requires the right organizational mindset. Simply telling employees to follow updated standard operating procedures won't work. The organization, starting with senior management, needs to adopt a growth mindset, believing that the organization can improve. Now let's look at some lessons from companies that got it. These companies faced different safe quality food issues, but turned it around with meaningful behavioral solutions. Here are the principles that led to their success. First, have patience. Changing employee behaviors takes time. Second, build cross-functional food safety teams. Food safety and quality improvements cannot be driven solely by the quality assurance team. Third, build cross-functional corporate leadership. Other functional leaders of the organization need to be actively involved. Fourth, do not focus on the safe quality food scores. The real goal is to identify food safety risks and decrease them. Fifth, maximize plant-to-plant consistencies. For companies with multiple plants, ensuring that all plants are putting food safety actions into place consistently is extremely important. In conclusion, changing behaviors one step at a time rather than getting overwhelmed by trying to change everything immediately will lead to success. Documentation of food safety processes and procedures is critical to minimizing regulatory risk. Equally important, if not more so, is aligning standard operating procedure development with the leadership necessary to change behaviors in the plant across all functions. Driving improved behaviors into beneficial habits is tantamount to decreasing food safety risk. Lower risk means everyone sleeps better at night, including the ultimate consumer of the food. Thank you for joining us in this video. We've discussed the importance of changing behaviors for enhanced food safety, the role of the Safe Quality Food Program, and the need for a systematic approach to food safety beyond just documentation. Remember, success lies in changing behaviors one step at a time, building cross-functional teams, and adopting a growth mindset. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about our tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams, visit our website at upkeep.com.